What's going on, guys? It's your man Ed Hayes here, back for another quick video. And in this one, I want to show you all how to actually use my favorite skip tracing service that y'all hear me talk about all the time, which is Versium REACH. Real quickly, I'm just going to briefly show you the inside of the software, how to actually pop a list inside of it and get it skip traced. So I hope y'all pumped for this content. Go ahead, hit that like button for me now, and let's go ahead, let's get into it.
Hey, coming down like precipitation. I ain't never met a
All right, so let's not waste any time. We're here on the home page here. So when you first get here, you're basically just going to go ahead and log in. Now, once you log into the software, you'll have the opportunity to go ahead and upload your first list. All right, so now we're inside of the actual software. You'll see all of your recent activity right here, like recent lists that you skip traced and things of that nature. So this is basically like the home screen. And what you'll mostly be using, really all you'll be using inside of Versium is going to be this contact append plus option right here. So you're just going to go ahead and click contact append plus. And then from right here, you're going to go ahead and upload your list. Now, keep in mind, it has to be in CSV format. That's going to be very important. Otherwise, it's not going to upload. So I'm just going to upload a list really quickly. All right. So now we got my list uploaded into the system. And then I'm just going to go ahead and click next step. Now, you'll see how many records you have on your list right here. And then this is basically where you actually map the columns, right? So you'll need to just make sure that you have the owner's first name, last name, and then the street address, the city, state, and zip code for that individual to actually be able to skip trace it. Okay, so if you pulled your data from PropStream, this should basically already be kind of mapped out for you. However, if not, then you'll just go in here and map the first name with the first name. So you'll just like select which one it is, whatever. Boom. So a lot of times you will have the mailing unit number. You can go ahead and put in the unit number right here. Sometimes you will have some percentage. I've got 8% right there. But basically everything is mapped. If it's not mapped, then you'll just go in here and actually map the correct columns and match them to the columns that are in your list. But like I said, you'll need the first name, last name, and the address, the full address of that person. So you'll just go down, and once you've got all of like the address and the name mapped, then you'll just go ahead and click next step. And then I usually keep it on this household level, match level right here. And then I'll just do phone numbers only, unless you're actually trying to email somebody. Then you'll use the email option. If not, then you'll just go over to the phone number option. And then they've got multiple options right now. If you're going to be doing some cold calling, and let's say you're using like a Mojo, for instance, you may want to do multiple phone numbers so you can contact every single phone number that that person has. On the other end, if you're using text messaging, let's say, for instance, you're using REI Reply, then you're probably going to want to do mobile phone numbers only. However, if you're manually calling a bunch of people, you may just want that best phone number, so then you can try to get through as many people as possible. So it's really up to you when it comes to how you're going to do this. For this example, I'm just going to click mobile phone numbers only, and then I'm just going to go ahead and click next. But we're just going to go ahead and select the audience. So like you could type in an audience. If it's just like a brand new list, I would usually like title this the type of list that this is. So it'll be like Las Vegas pre-foreclosures, something like that, so I can remember like what list this actually was, right? Or you can have it all like, you know, in-house leads January, in-house leads June, or something like that. Boom. And then once you go ahead and click create, then it's actually going to start skip tracing this list, and you'll actually be able to see the progress inside of the software. Boom. So as you all can see, I just clicked the create button. I'm not actually going to skip trace this list all the way through. I'm going to try to delete this actually, but I just wanted you all to see like what it actually looks like once you actually click the create button. So then it gives you an approximate time that it's going to take to actually skip trace your entire list, which I think is extremely convenient, especially when you got a lot of things going on. So like right now I can go in, go back to the home page, go back to contact append plus, and upload another list and start skipping that as well, while this one is skipping simultaneously. So I could really get a lot of things done, and I'm actually skipping these leads myself, so I can actually keep track of it. I don't have to wait a day or two to get these leads back from a skip tracer off of Fiverr or something like that. It's just right here inside of the system. It's 1,100 leads on this list, and it's only going to take about 5-6 minutes for it to actually finish the entire list. Now, once you've actually skip traced your list, you'll be able to see all of the lists that you've pulled inside of your actual account right here. So like you'll have your project name right here. You'll see how many lists are inside of each individual thing and whatnot. And then not only can you see all of these different projects, you'll be able to go through and actually integrate Versium with some other companies. When I don't actually use the integrations or anything like that, you can go over here and check out your usage and see how many skips you've actually used. So if I actually skip that list, then it would have been 1,108 matches. Or actually, it's only going to charge you for the numbers that it actually gives you. So out of that 1,100 leads, if it got me like 900 phone numbers back, then I would only be out of 900 of my 15,000 skip traces that I get every month. So I really, really like Versium Reach, guys. I'm curious to hear what you all think about the software. I've had it for a couple years now. I'm going on my third year of having Versium Reach now. It's been an absolute game changer in our business. What I really, really like about it, like I said, I get 15,000 skip traces for just $300 per month. You could definitely check out the link down below. Reach out to them. Let them know that Ed Hayes, the wholesale coach, sent you. But I guess like the catch about Versium is that they do only allow you to pay for a year up front. So, but like I said, it's $300 a month, so that's $3,600 for the year. Or they may have a quarterly option. I think they do allow some people on a quarterly option where you pay $900 a month for like every 3 months. However, like I really, really mean this when I say it, like I cannot make this stuff up. In the past, we used to spend like $3,600 literally in like 2 months from skip tracing people at those irregular prices that you see on the market, like 10, 15, 12 cents per lead. This stuff adds up really, really quickly. Another note is that they don't skip trace LLCs, just so you know. So it's just individuals only when you're pulling those lists from PropStream and other services. But like I said, that volume really, really, really makes up for any of the downfalls that the system may have, like not reaching out to LLCs. You're going to be able to reach a significant amount of individuals despite that. So I really, really like Versium Reach. Man, if y'all have used Versium Reach, drop a comment down below and let me know what your experience has been. I've heard some really, really amazing stories from people getting crazy results from Versium. So man, I hope that y'all appreciate this video. I'm not going to hold y'all here for long. Like I said, it's going to be short, sweet, and straight to the point. Man, I hope that y'all staying healthy and staying blessed. If y'all want to see more videos like this of game-changing softwares and what they can really do for your business, make sure that you check out this video right here. And until next time, guys.